Hey, this is Patryk, marketer from YouTube and also dropshippingguild.com, which is a place where you can learn everything about retail dropshipping. Retail dropshipping changed my life. I've been doing this since 2020, right after the pandemic started. I was able to quit my job and pursue my dream of, living independently without a boss because of Facebook dropshipping, Facebook shops dropshipping, eBay dropshipping. I do all of these stuff. I was one of the first people that discovered Facebook shops dropshipping and figure out how to maneuver around this topic. And I use AutoDS as my automation tool because it's the best. I mean, trust me, I've tried all of these softwares, okay? A lot of them are similar and have similar features and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I always go back to AutoDS because it's just the amount of tools and features you get. It's tremendous, and they constantly update this stuff. Okay, that's also another thing that I like about AutoDS is that there's constant progress. It's not like, oh, you only get one package. Okay, they always add stuff. They have the automation tool, auto fulfilling orders stuff, API connections, which not a lot of software have with Facebook Marketplace, for example. They add custom suppliers and all these cool stuff. I really like what they're doing, and it's probably the biggest reason why I stick to them. Okay, why I always go back to AutoDS, even though I try all the other stuff, but I always go back to AutoDS just because I see they have a great team that's built this whole software, and I know they put a lot of love and work into it, and they actually care for you to succeed, and they have all these amazing tools to help you with. So I highly recommend you try AutoDS because it's great.